I was recently catching up with one of my colleagues, Hayden, and he brought to me one of the most life-changing ideas that I've ever heard of as an investor. The idea is called financial peace. It's basically the place where you get to as an investor where you've got enough assets to become financially free in the future. There's just this time delay between the asset either growing in value if it's stocks or something like that, or if it's property, the time delay between where you are and paying off the debt so that you can get that passive income for life or live off the equity. I think why this idea of financial peace is so powerful and really hit home for me is because if you're anything like me and you've got this goal of creating 100, 200, 300K per year of passive income in your future, whether that's in your 40s, 50s, or in retirement, and we can sometimes put a bit too much pressure on ourselves and we can be striving towards that goal without necessarily enjoying each step of the journey on the way. Now, I know many investors that have achieved financial freedom and they've been working at it for 5, 10, 30 years. And when they get to that point, they believe that all of a sudden this 100K per year, 200K per year of passive income coming in, whether they go to work or don't go to work that day, is going to completely change who they are, take away all of their problems, and, put them in this utopia world. But the reality for every single one of those people on the day that they achieve financial freedom and wake up is they're the exact same person that was striving towards that goal, and they don't know what to do with themselves when they get there because all they've been doing is chasing money and thinking that that's going to change them and their life for the better down the line. Now, what financial peace actually does for you is creates a clear plan of not just creating wealth and financial freedom in the future, but absolutely loving the journey. Now, an example of this that Hayden and I were talking about that he's in right now is he's bought his own home, which he's got some debt on, walking distance to the beach on the sunny coast that he'll pay off slowly over the next 15 to 20 years. He's got one house and granny flat on the beach in Brisbane, and he's also got one blue chip property within about 10 to 12 Ks of the CBD in Brisbane. Now, if Hayden does nothing but hold these properties in the future, he's going to have an incredible retirement. And once he pays off the 3 properties, over $100,000 per year of passive income for life. Now, Hayden's a lot smarter than I am. And as someone who likes chasing that next thing and gets caught up on that all the time and constantly needs to re-bring myself back to the present moment, Hayden's really realized that he could waste the next 15 years absolutely busting his ass, missing seeing his kids grow up and missing his life, which is really the prime of his life right now. So instead, Hayden's decided that he is going to create this idea in his own mind of financial peace, which effectively means he's got the assets now that will make himself free in the future. Instead of killing himself and missing out on his life, he's decided to go to 4 days per week, way more holidays, train more, spend more time with his friends, his kid, and his wife, and just enjoy this journey from where he is today to where he knows he'll be if he just consistently follows a plan. Now, for those of you out there that are listening to this that either on your own or with your partner are earning somewhere between 80 and 200K per year plus, then financial peace in the next 5 years could be something that's achievable for you. And it could look as simple as this. Basically, you go out there and you buy one high quality property for, let's say, $600,000, a nice big block of land with a really high quality house on it, close to the CBD or the beach in Brisbane. And that property should hopefully rent for between $500 and $550 per week. Then you just sort of sit on that property, continue to save your money, hope that the property goes up in value a little bit in the next few years and you've got some equity. And then either when you've got the savings or the equity, you go out there and buy a second property. Now, this second property would be a little bit different. It could be a house with a granny flat or a house with a granny flat that's already been built that you just buy it like that. But ultimately with this option, you want to spend somewhere between $700,000 and $800,000 on that second property and hope that that property rents for somewhere between $700 and $900 per week. Now, effectively, once you've got those 2 houses, one worth $600K and one worth $800K, so you're in it for 1.4 mil. If you do nothing for the next 15 years but hold those 2 properties, and they go up by 5% per annum, you're going to be sitting on about $2.8 million worth of property. And if you can pay that off slowly over that period of time while loving your life, you should be on over $100,000 per year or just under $100,000 per year of passive income at that time. I think after you've done that sort of 1 to 5 hard years where you've set up those assets, that's the time where you can spend more time with your family, where you can change careers, where you can do more work in the community, where you can work less days, where you don't have to be on that crazy big stressful income anymore if there's something else you'd like to do. Financial freedom is obviously an incredible idea, but so is financial peace. And I really do wish financial peace for you as you continue to move forward on your journey to ultimately creating a life filled with choices and realizing that you don't have to wait 15 to 30 years for these choices. But once you've set up a baseline level of property or stocks, then you can really start enjoying yourself from that moment forward with peace, knowing that you are going to get ultimately to where you need to be and that the future financially is going to be comfortable and safe for you and the people you care about. Now, for those of you who are seriously thinking about creating financial freedom and financial peace in your future, I'd love to offer you a one-on-one strategy session. Just go over to www.pumpedonproperty.com, click that free strategy session button, and we can talk about where you are right now, where you'd like to be longer term. Generally, we talk to two very different types of people. People either just getting started at the moment and looking to create a plan and build a portfolio, or sometimes people that already have existing portfolios or their own home that want to get to financial freedom and choices in their life sooner. But regardless of where you're at there, we'd love to share our ideas and educate you on the most undervalued suburbs in Australia. And then you can either take that with a grain of salt and go and absolutely smash it on your own, or potentially become one of the small number of people that we work with each month. And we can share some of the ideas with you that have worked for us to create financial peace and financial freedom in our lives, as well as the ideas we've collected from speaking over 5,000 investors like you. But either way, we wish you all the best. I hope that once you've got your assets set up, you can just enjoy the journey, because life is supposed to be joyful and supposed to be a hell of a fun ride at the same time. And working towards financial freedom can take a lot of pressure off your long-term self as well. Cheers, guys.
Woo! That's a wrap.
That's a wrap.
Getting cool, bro. Yeah. Oh, sweaty. So sweaty. Oh, that's good. Look at that. So nice, eh? Oh.